Erika Friedemann. Here she is. बहुत अच्छा कंटेंट बनाया है. Let's do screen recording.
Exercising the foot position here. So I'm in that single leg hinge, left knee is soft, band is attached on my left side, same side as the leg that is forward. As I come through, I'm thinking about turning over the femur and allowing this arm to reach, be pulled towards that anchor point. As I come up, I think about this movement coming from the hip as I turn away and find that outside edge of the heel. A little bit more of that supinated foot shape. So you can play around with how far you are away from the anchor point. And then as I exhale, I turn away, think about inside edge, or turn towards, think about inside edge of the heel, kind of grounding through the floor, turning over, getting into that more of that hip shifting, internal rotation. Watch so you're not hiking this hip out to the side. And then as I come through and push away, I'm thinking about this movement coming from the hip as I
promise rings never really meant to think, did they? Was everything you did just to front? Get the things that you will.
Great footwork within our strength training or even our warm-up. Great.